Greetings from the Hermitage and welcome to this presentation on constructing tables of data when you're given a graph of a function. Just a quick review. This is called a Cartesian coordinate plane. And it's how we typically graph data, two-dimensional data anyway. And as a review, this is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and I'm guessing this might be quadrant 4. To plot a point in the coordinate plane, it's going to be specified, the points are given as coordinate pairs x and y, where this is the x coordinate and then the vertical axis is called the y axis. This is actually called the x axis. And we'll always specify the x value first and then the y value. So if you're given a point 4, 6, we always start at the origin. That's that point right there. And the coordinates of that point are 0, 0. We start there, and then we look at our x coordinate and we move, in this case, to the right. That's the positive direction. And then we move 6 up from that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be our point. Let's do a couple more. I'll do one in the second quadrant. Let's say -4, 3. We always start at the origin. Now we're going to move left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. That's that point. That's -4, 3. This point was 4, 6. We'll do one in the third quadrant. That will be -6, -7. We start at the origin, do the x value first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be -6, -7. And finally, a point in the fourth quadrant. We'll do 7, -3. Start at the origin. Our x value is positive, so we move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our y coordinate is negative, so we move down 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 7, -3. In the first quadrant, both coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, it's going to be negative, positive. In the third, negative, negative. And in the fourth, positive, negative. Now here's a little practice for you. Go ahead and fill out this table. Will be an Edpuzzle, so there will be questions for points B, C, D, E, F, and G. I've given you the example here. For the first point, A, you're to fill in the remaining points. Finally, here is the solution to this. And that pretty much wraps it up for this presentation. And at the end of the day, there's only one thing left to say, and that is, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning. Stay safe. Con cuidado.